chuffers. It's been an awfully long time since I put a video out. It's been about an equivalent amount of time since I've even looked at the railway. Now this is because it has just been continuously raining in Sydney due to La Nina, and also we have had some family from overseas, which, you know, due to the recent conditions of the world, has been quite a nice thing. Now, this is a continuous video today. There'll be no editing because I don't really have time to do anything, but I just came and had a look at the railway yesterday and I thought it actually needed documenting because nature has found a way. So yes, let's start at one end, shall we? And work our way up. So, we have the succulents. Looks sort of normal. Haven't been overtaken by any weeds or anything. Look pretty good. The little carriages by the siding are definitely flooded. Might have to empty those out at some point. The grass, I have been mowing the grass, but it's still come back. And now we get in to the wilderness. Now I didn't know this, but we have a cucumber plant. Now I think this would have happened when I moved this cactus from there, because when I originally made these, they did have lots of things in. I think I also even have a lettuce which will have come over. Now I do vaguely remember this before, but these cucumber plants grow a long way, as you can see. It has taken over somewhat. I think I'm just going to leave it, and potentially I will chop back or try and steer around the tracks a little, because I quite want some cucumbers. They're quite handy to have around, especially being English, with cheese and cucumber sandwiches. But yes, it definitely is overtaking the track somewhat, which is good. A wild cucumber forest. Also, this cactus has grown a little flower stem, which is exciting. Also very aware that this video is not going to have very much about trains in it. It's going to be mostly about the track and nature. So this section, you can see, despite my excellent weed killery skills, we have got quite a lot of little plants growing. And in fact, the track is completely lost on this side. So I may have to come out here and get stuff sorted. Now, I've also noticed that something, probably the rain, has washed away here. So I may have to do some remedial works there too. Now what I have noticed is, though, I think with all the rain and everything that's happened, this track is pretty much well bedded in now. Like, there is no movement at all. The rain and stuff that's happened over the last few weeks, you know, watch, there's no play at all. It's pretty good, but I will need to get some more gravel and probably some dirt to backfill the embankment and to keep it all supported. So I'll do that, some more stones, some more of those decorative stones. And I'm actually thinking, I've always wanted a tunnel on this railway and never really known where to put it. But now that I've seen the amount of leaves that have fallen on the tracks over there, I think I may have to build a little covered area for this, just to protect the tracks from the leaves that fall out of this domineering tree that looms over us. Okay, so that's this section. And then here, just need to do a bit more weeding of the track. The stone garden. Probably, as predicted, has not grown. As we come down here, we have an awful lot of mint. Which will definitely need trimming back and probably turning in to something. So yes, this is probably what I'll be doing on my Christmas break. I'll be tidying some of this up. Oh yes, the side fell off this bridge too. The train won't even get up through those trees now. So I'll be tidying this up a bit and having a think about what I want to be doing in 2022. Oh my god, 2022. I think it'll be mostly to do with rolling stock, because I'm not particularly happy with all the trains and things that I have at the moment. Anyway, yes, stream of thought video really, but haven't put one up for a while, and I thought the amount of wilderness that was overtaking the track and the speed at which it was doing so needed to be documented. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Choo choo.